So another consumable we have available for gouging to help ease in some applications is we have what we call high access. As you can see, compared to the standard consumable, the high access gives you a longer reach with the consumable tip. So if you had to get into maybe a tight confined space where a standard torch diameter might not reach, having the longer, skinnier consumable can help you get in and manipulate the torch to remove those welds. Another application for high access consumables is if you need to get into a hard to reach place where you need that longer extension of the consumable. An example would be if you needed to get into maybe an undercut or do some coping work, you can see you could reach into a hole or a slot, do your work in your machining and your cutting, and be able to reach into an area where you might not be able to reach with standard cutting consumables or gouging consumables.